Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we have a very special prize for you guys to take part in. This here is a 1967 BSA A65 Hornet, and this one can be won on our website for just 95p, and the draw will take place on the 12th of April, just Sunday at 10 p.m. So, like I said, this is a 1967 BSA Hornet. These are specifically built for the American market, especially the West States, for high-speed off-road desert racing. So it's quite a high-performance machine. It would have competed with the TT Bonneville Specials at the time, which are very iconic. So it's a very rare bike. This particular example has been rebuilt. It's all fully restored, as you can see, very nice and shiny. Got these correct high-level pipes, a really nice alley tank. It's also got a bigger oil tank, which takes 2 more pints than the regular A65. It's got the correct rims. It's got the off-road American style bars. So it's really quite a high performance period machine of the day. Twin carbs. It's a 650cc twin. So yeah, very, very special thing. And what we'll do now, we'll start her up. They are straight through pipes, so it is very loud. And they don't tick over too much because it's like higher lift cams, I think, so it's a bit more of a revvy machine. Got a cyclist coming, so you might scare him off his bike. I think we'll wait. It's very loud. We don't want to upset him. We're in the nice English countryside, so we can hear all the birds tweeting at the moment, and we will not hear any birds when this starts up. Hi, you right?
Morning.
Morning. Okay. Hopefully he's a bit further away now. He won't fall off in surprise. So you've got our 2 fuel taps, 1 on each side, new carbs. We've also actually rebuilt the top end on this bike with new pistons, valves and guides. So you just need to give each car a bit of a tickle. There's no choke and a good kick, and then she should fire up. Give you a little listen. There we are, quite easy to start, nice and loud. It will tick over when it's warm, but it'll just take a little while. So yeah, if you like your West Coast custom style classic American-ish British bikes, it's the sort of bike you'd like, and it's one of our lowest price tickets at 95p. And like I said, the draw will take place on the 12th of April, so if you do enter, thank you as always for your support and good luck.